Welcome to Cajun Cooking TV. In this segment, we're going to make something super fun that's just mixing all kinds of things together, and it's called a Muffuletta Pasta Casserole. So instead of the bread and the yummy bread that's all crusty and good, we're going to use some yummy gluten-free pasta, but you can use regular pasta. This is penne pasta. This is a 12-ounce container. I've already made the noodles as per the directions. I boiled it, we seasoned the water, boiled it for 10 minutes, and then we drained in the strainer and rinsed it with cold water to stop the cooking process, because you want it to just remain al dente, because we're going to put that in the oven. So this recipe is one we got from the great Chef John Folse, so thank you, Chef. We enjoy seeing you on the local TV channel, and sometimes we even run into him at one of our favorite restaurants. So this is just a simple casserole. All I did was prep up some things ahead of time. So basically we have our I love olives. So this is a great olive mix. We have this one, they have all sorts of different kinds at your grocery. Mike picked that one out for me. And it's mostly green olives, some onions, and little carrots all pickled in olive oil. I have about 2 tablespoons of minced fresh garlic, not the stuff out the jar. I've got some sliced black olives. And then I've got 3 different meats here, because you know on a sandwich it's layered with meat. So we've got some Black Forest ham diced, it's a ½ pound. We've got some hard salami from the deli. And then Mike has some Italian sausage. This was the bulk Italian sausage in the mild, so he fried this up for me earlier, and we drained off the excess fat. So that was easy. So we've got noodles, we've got all this stuff, and guess what? It's just gonna all go in here. Kind of like a dump cake. This is a dump pasta. So here we go. So we have some mozzarella cheese and we have some Parmesan cheese. So I'm going to pour it in this bowl here so I can get it really mixed up well. And then we can mix it into our noodles for the casserole. I think this casserole would also be good with your elbow noodles or even lasagna noodles, and just layer it like a lasagna. So you could do a couple different things with this. So let me just stir this up so those 2 cheeses get together. We're going in the oven. It's set to 350 for 30 minutes. Melt the cheese, get it all mixed together, and we'll have our dinner.
Yep.
Okay, we're back. It's been 30 minutes. And I had this in the oven, and it's gotten crispy on the edges, and the cheese is melted on top, and I'm sure it's melted in the middle too. So I'm gonna get a little, and we've been smelling the olive oil and the olives while we've been sitting waiting for it to be done. So let's get this into our bowl. Ooh, cheesy. There we go. And while this was cooking, I actually had a little bit left over, and I tried it, you know, just as it was, cold. So it could actually be a cold, you know, pasta dish as well. And something. So check out our recipes and videos on Cajun Cooking TV. We're also on Facebook, so be sure and like us. We share tips and recipes and other videos all during the week. So thanks, and we'll see you next time. Bye. How's that?
Perfect.
Good.
It's a wrap.